Hi guys! In this video we're going to be looking at LCM, which is the lowest common multiple. Multiples are basically counting by numbers. So for example, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and they go on and on forever. Multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and they go on and on forever. So let's look at some examples of the lowest common multiple. So my first example is finding the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. To do that, we need to list the multiples of 3. When you get really good at this, you can list them in your head and you can work it out straight away. But for these examples, we're going to write them down. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, 27, and it goes on. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and it goes on forever. So now we're going to choose the common multiples. What do these multiples have in common? Well, they both have 12, they both have 24, and they're going to have numbers down the track, but that's okay, we don't need all of them. So the common multiples so far are 12, 24, and it will go on. So we need to figure out the lowest common multiple. And the lowest common multiple is 12, because that's the lowest number that they both have in common. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Let's move on to some more examples. I've got the LCM of 6 and 8. So again, let's list the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and it goes on. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and it goes on. So again, if we look at what they have in common, they've got 24 in common, they have 48 in common, and again they've got more down the track. So common multiples 24, 48. So the lowest common multiple is 24. Now, some people ask me why we need to know the lowest common multiple. There are a few reasons why. One of them would be for fractions. Another example is some word problems. Some of them need LCM. Now let's look at this example of a word problem where we need LCM. We'll highlight the important information as we read. A red light flashes every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes is important. A yellow light flashes every 4 minutes. If they flash together at 6 p.m, what time will they flash together again? Okay, so what we need to look at here is the red light. It flashes every 5 minutes, so we need to find the LCM of the red light and the yellow light. The red light flashes every 5 minutes, which means it will flash at 6:05, 6:10, 6:15, 6:20, 6:25, 6:30, and so on. The yellow light flashes every 4 minutes, so it will flash at 6:04, 6:08, 6:12, 6:16, 6:20, 6:24. Now, they have 20 in common, which means that they will flash together at 6:20. Because what we're doing is 6 p.m, they flash together, plus every 20 minutes they will flash together again. So 6:20 p.m. I hope that makes sense to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.